I'd like to welcome all of you today to a very historic event. The involvement of Merck Foundation in linking the entire capacity building structure for fertility treatment for students from African countries for the training purposes, which gives them access to high-end training.
Merck Foundation is doing a commendable job by creating opportunities for our African counterparts who are in need of advanced embryology training. And we are glad to join hands with Merck Foundation in their premier project, Merck More Than a Mother.
I think the training will go a long way in creating goodwill in very many developing countries, underserved countries, or low-income group countries, where they look up for training so that they can go back and serve their population.
It is truly an honor, ladies and gentlemen, to invite our distinguished chief guest, Dr. Rasha Kilic, to address the gathering.
Thank you very, very much for having me here today. And I really want to tell you I'm very proud to be here today to announce our long-term partnership with the Manipal Academy of Higher Education to scale up our training program for embryologists and in the future fertility specialists. Why this program is very important for Merck Foundation, which is the philanthropic arm of Merck, the leader in fertility management in the world, and very important for me personally as a woman from Africa. And as you've seen from Jacqueline's video, this is not only a single incident story. This is many Jacquelines in Africa and many of them also in developing countries in rural areas. We want to empower these women, and it's nothing, it's a shame that in the 21st century, this kind of violence is still there. We realized from the beginning the right strategy is to build capacity, professional capacity in these countries. Some countries till today, they don't have even one single fertility specialist to manage even simple cases of fertility. Something very important and dear to me that to see that we are supporting and making history together with Manipal Academy to help training the first fertility and embryologist will support the first public IVF center in Ethiopia for a population of 100 million population. I think this is great achievement. Thank you very much to make us be part of your history and be part of this history, because the first is always going to be the first, a university IVF or a public IVF in those countries. So thank you very much, and I really looking forward to see the future together, and we lead Africa and developing countries to a better futures together. Thank you very much.